How to replace Volkswagen VW CC 2013 to 2018 low beam xenon headlight bulb in 6 easy steps. 1. Open the bonnet to reach behind the headlight. Here we have a VW CC 2014 left headlight to show you more clearly what you should do when you need to replace the xenon light from low beam. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Two. Remove the rubber cover. 3. Disconnect the plug from the xenon light bulb. 4. Twist the xenon light bulb anti-clockwise to unlock it and then take it out. 'VW CC is using a 35W D3S Xenon light bulb for low and high beam that you can find it in the video description below. Our recommendation is to change both low beam bulbs to avoid color differences from the other old bulb. Five. Place the new xenon light bulb back in the headlight and then twist it clockwise to lock the bulb. You have to place the xenon light bulb exactly in the same way you removed it. Six. Connect the plug and then put the rubber cover back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or give me a super thanks. Thank you for watching.